Well, hello there. I would like to wish everybody a happy National Sliders Day. Aren't they cute? Well, I'm a part of a Sliders collaboration hosted by I'm Merely Melissa. A whole bunch of channels are going to be making different types of sliders. Well, I'm making my own special kind. Guess what kind? Well, this time of year, right now, happens to be halfway to Thanksgiving. So I'm making a Thanksgiving slider. Let's do it now. You need to grab some Hawaiian rolls or dinner rolls and slice them in half. In a saucepan, I need to add some shredded Thanksgiving turkey. Sadly, it's not Thanksgiving, so I'm just putting in some diced deli turkey. I'm going to add about a cup of turkey gravy. I'm going to turn that on and let it get nice and bubbly. I've put the two halves on the baking sheet. We're going to start with the bottom and put some stuffing on there. Spread it out. I'm going to put this under the broiler until toasted, probably about a minute or two. It's toasted. Now on the top half, I'm going to add some whole berry cranberry sauce and spread that out. On top of that stuffing, I'm going to spread some leftover mashed potatoes. I'm going to make 12 little wells in all 12 sliders. Let's spoon our turkey into those wells. It's okay if it overflows. Now I'm going to put on some overlapping slices of provolone cheese. Let's put the top bun on the bottom. Let's put the top bun on the bottom. Bake for 10 minutes on 400 degrees. They're out of the oven and ready to be cut. Thanksgiving sliders. Well, halfway to Thanksgiving. They look kind of fun. Look at that. And they taste amazing. I can taste every component of the Thanksgiving meal in this tiny little bun. Thank you so much, Melissa, from I'm Merely Melissa, for hosting this fabulous collaboration. Go check out her channel. And you know what? Happy Sliders Day to everyone! Why did the turkey cross the road? To strut his stuffing!